How to list your ads on Craigslist. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimu from App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can list an ad on Craigslist platform. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, listing on Craigslist is completely free. All you need is that you have to make sure you have signed up for a free Craigslist account. If you don't know how to create an account, we've already made a video on that. You can simply search them up in our channel as well. Now, what you need to do is just open up your browser and then simply log into Craigslist.org. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Once you go to Craigslist.org, make sure you're signed into your account and you'll most likely see this kind of interface over here. If you look at the top left hand side, you'll find this little option labeled as create a posting. So just click on create a posting button. Once you click on create a posting, it says please limit each posting to a single area and so on. So just choose the type of your posting. Once you select type of your posting, also make sure to choose the category. Once you also choose a category over here, you can simply enter your posting title, your price if you have a price for your posting, as well as your city or neighborhood, your valid zip code. You also want to make sure to simply enter some descriptions over here, and after that, depending upon the type of category you choose. Now, if you choose real estate and I choose appliance, you might see different interface than mine because you have all of the square feet and so on. You have to enter the size, the dimensions, the length, width, and so on. So just make sure to enter the details depending upon the category that you've chose, and after that, just enter the model name number. Fill in all of the details as you would normally do when you're just creating your listing. On the right hand side, you can see different types of payment methods. If you accept cryptocurrency as a payment method, you can enable that. If you offer delivery services, you can enable that. Or if you just include more ads by this user, you can also go ahead and do this as well. After that, just select the option called show my phone number if you want to reveal your phone number, or else users will only be able to contact you via your email. Once you have done, agree to all of the terms and conditions and just click on the continue button from the bottom. Once you click on continue, if you want, you can go ahead and simply add images and click on the option that is done with images. Once you're done with images, you'll be able to successfully post your Craigslist ad after you've published them. That's all it takes to list your listings on Craigslist. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.